Hello friends, thank you for joining me. This is Diana, the Paper Pineapple. I'm so happy that you're here. I am documenting another week in my 2024 Project Life album. This is week 19, and just to let you know that I have updated the weekly cards, so go ahead and look in the description, click on the link, and feel free to print them and use them in your projects. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take you through my week. The top 4x6 picture is a picture of our little Cinco de Mayo celebration. We invited friends and family to come and have some tacos. My husband was so nice to make us some, and I made rice and beans and salsa and guacamole and all the fixings. I had a little charcuterie. I didn't get a picture of it. I made a video, but I didn't take a picture. It was such a nice setup. Kids loved it. It was a hit. So yeah, it was lots of fun. And then the next 2 3x4 pictures below that, so picture of my Sunday. I don't always treat myself to ice cream, but this day I had a banana split, and it was very yummy. The next 3x4 picture, well, it's a little 2x2 on one of these cards. I believe it's from the April kit. It says working on, and it was a book that I was reading. It was called The Teacher by Frida McFadden. Definitely recommend. It's a really good book. So I was reading outside and decided that I would take a little picture of that. The next 3x4 picture is a picture of my daughter's boyfriend at one of his games. It looks like a baseball card, so I thought, oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm gonna put it in the album. My daughter's so supportive, and she attends all of his games. He is on the varsity baseball team. So yeah, that's fun. The next 3x4 picture is just a snapshot of a text message from my husband. Sometimes he writes some really nice things, and I just want to preserve those memories. Sometimes I'll remember, sometimes I don't, and this week I happened to remember to take a screenshot, and so I decided to put it in the album, just like little, reminders. Sometimes I feel like we get so stuck in the daily ins and outs of the day, and it's just nice to just tell your significant other how you feel about them. So it's really nice. I did end up taking this 4x6 paper from Paige Evans' Go the Scenic Route. I felt like it went well with these cards. Usually LA Studios have these bright colors, and so I decided to use that. And then these are puffy stickers from the Cocoa Daisy kit spring collection a couple years back. I don't remember. I'm just trying to use stuff from my stash, and so yeah. I use a couple of these puffy hearts. They're really cute. And so moving on to the right hand side, the top 4x6 picture is a picture of me and my kiddos celebrating muffins with mom. Usually at my youngest school, elementary school, they do muffins with mom, but since I work, I'm unable to do it. So now I've been doing muffins at home with my kids, and we do donuts with dad also. And it's just a perfect time. We don't have to worry about rushing to the school, finding a parking, getting in line, taking forever, paying $5. I just get my picture for free, print it out when I want, and yeah, it's just awesome. So I do get some blueberry muffins and some orange juice, and we all get to sit together and just enjoy each other's company. And so it was really nice. This year I decided my kids, I wanted to hear a little bit from my kids and wanted to know what they loved best about mom. And so the kids all got a piece of paper, and I have all that documented. And I do see later that I do end up using one of the tabs from the May die cuts that says, oh, what does it say? I can't remember. Well, you'll see here in a bit. I got all the notes, and it was just so nice. They made me cry, like these little love notes, the things that they enjoy and love about me, and it just made me feel really special. And I wanted to add those in, so I do end up tucking it in behind that 4x6. I think it says Simple Joys, or something like that. And I do end up behind that pocket there, and I use my rolling date stamp to add to the ticket there, and then I add the date and what we ate, and perfect for that moment. And I love the little puppy hearts around that. Here I just end up using one of the labels, and then I ended up using this little die cut that says let's eat. I used my Tim Holtz mini attacher and to staple the label in place, and then I just added that cute little sentiment little die cut that says "Let's Eat" on top, and thought that it looked cute. Do a little layering. I do forget to do all the embellishing and stuff. I'm just trying to get all these. I'm kind of behind, and so like I want to just focus on like, journaling down the stuff and just go to the next project. But yeah, I do end up journaling about my Thursday 3 off camera because I don't know, for some reason my computer won't bring up my posts. I don't know if it has anything to do with my computer or Instagram, I'm not sure, but yeah, I went ahead and used this little pound sign. It's a little sticker, and decided that I would use that instead, just to give it, some kind of dimension. So yeah, that's my Thursday 3 post, my selfie. That Friday was May 10th. So in Mexico, we celebrate Mother's Day on May 10th. And so for my mama, I ended up taking her some balloons and some flowers, and she was so happy with it. And I decided I would take a picture of her with her flowers. My mom doesn't really like taking pictures. She doesn't even know that this even exists, so don't tell her. Shh. Yeah, my parents are very private about those things. They don't like their pictures in social media or anything, so I have no parents on social media. Anyway, I try to respect their wishes, but yeah, I don't think she really watches my YouTube crafting channel, so I think I'm okay. And then this collage here is a collage of one of my best friend's baby, Jordy's. It was his first birthday, and I just wanted to document a little bit about his birthday. It was such a wonderful gathering. You could tell that everything was made with so much love, and we all love Jordy, and it was just a great turnout. It was pretty amazing. I was so happy to be a part of that. Thank you, Amy, for letting me be there for you and being there present. We had lots of fun that day. And then on that one little 4x6 picture card, I just did a little cluster, added a tag and a label and some puffy stickers, and I thought that it made it cute. So anyway, this is my week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and if you're not subscribed, if you're new, please consider subscribing so that you can see my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate you, and I hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful week, and I hope to see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys!